Hello dear children, next week we are going to celebrate Raksha Bandhan. So we are going to make boxes for the chocolates. Let's enjoy the activity. Children, for this chocolate box we need 12 inches by 4 inches 4 papers. It may be any color paper you can use or any design paper you can use. Then it is a different color paper I am taking. If you are not having any different color paper, you can use 6 inches by 6 inches paper. So let's start the activity. Children, on this paper 4 inches by 12 inches, we supposed to mark on each and every 4 inches. And after marking, make a line. Okay, so I have completed this much work. I have drawn lines on each and every paper. After this, children, on this 6 inches by 6 inches paper, I leave 1 inches from each and every side and I have marked it. After completing this much, children, we are going to give some pressure. You can use rounder, children, but I am having cutter, and if you are using cutter, use it very safely. Okay, and then fold it like this. So I am going to fold for all these papers. Again I am going to take this another paper. If you want, you can paste it like this. We are going to apply glue on the center portion. Then in a plus sign we are going to paste it. Apply glue on the center. Now children, let it dry. We are going to complete our upper portion of the box. For this upper portion, children, on these lines I have given the pressure and I have folded it. Okay. After that, on each and every left side, see here left side, then this, and here. I have given the cut and then fold it properly. Okay, then this portion, apply glue here on this portion and paste it like this. Now our upper portion is ready. Let it dry for some time. After completing this much, children, we are going to cut a small piece of sellotape, then stick it. Okay, children, if you want, you can keep 2 Cadburys over here, or if you want, you can keep only 1 Cadbury. Okay, it is upon you. Now I am keeping 2 Cadburys here. Like this, I will keep some single Cadburys, set of Cadbury over here, and I will decorate the outer part of the box. After sticking chocolate, children, your box will be looking like this. See the magic. Only you have to pick this up and a lovely chocolate box is ready. Children, it is another box which I have made. See, first I have made 3 boxes. Okay, in this second box I was not having small chocolates, so you can keep any type of chocolates, or you can decorate this side, or if you want, you can paste some photos. Okay, and the third box is inside, and see the gold and silver is there. If your mama want to give such a type of gifts, so you can make lovely boxes for her also.